Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hendrik Pratama from 4th class and my student number is 204-107 and 207. Today I will explain about grammar error harm from sentence to creative explanation from advanced English grammar. In this video, I will discuss 10 incorrect sentence, identify the grammar error, correct them, and explain the grammatical reason behind each correction. 3 conditional tips. The first one, error sentence. If the crew would have followed the compass, they would have found the treasure. Second, error. The mistake is using would have followed after if. Correction. If the crew had followed the compass, they would have found the treasure. Explanation. This is a third conditional sentence. The structure is if plus past perfect will have plus past participle and will have. Cannot be used in the if clause. And the next, past modal. Error sentence. The treasure should have been found by the crew long ago. An error. The mistake is the word find. And correction. The treasure should have been found by the crew long ago. Subjunctive or suggestion. Error sentence. The captain suggests that the crew should not ignore the ancient warning. An error. This sentence has a problem with the subjunctive structure. And correction. The captain suggests that the crew not ignore the ancient warning. Explanation. After verb like suggest, we often use the subjunctive form subject plus base verb should. Can be used in some variation of English, but the subjunctive form is more appropriate in formal grammar. And the next, imperfect sentence, error sentence. Not only the crew ignore the compass, but they also sail into danger. Error. The impression after not only is missing. Correction. Not only did the crew ignore the compass, but they also sail into danger. Explanation. When not only come at the beginning of a sentence, we use auxiliary inversion. The auxiliary that comes before the subject. And next, nominalization, error sentence. The crew's ignore of the compass led to their loss of direction. An error, the nouns ignore and lose are incorrect. Correction. The crew's ignorance of the compass led to their loss of direction. Explanation. Nominalization changes verb into nouns. Ignore becomes ignorance and lose becomes lose. And the next, two conditional tips, error sentence. If Morgan would know the way, she would lead them to safety. Error. The mistake is using would know in the if clause. Correction. If Morgan knew the way, she would lead them to safety. Explanation. Second conditional use if plus simple past, would plus verb and would is only used in the result clause. And the next, imperfect sentence, error sentence. Only after the head survived the storm the realize their mistake. Error. The impression is missing. Correction. Only after they had survived the storm did they realize their mistake. Explanation. When a negative or limiting expression begins a sentence, impression is recurred. The auxiliary that comes before the subject. And the next subjunctive error sentence. Morgan insisted that Eliza was the one to lead the expedition. Error. The verb from after insisted that is incorrect. Correction. Morgan insisted that Eliza be the one to lead the expedition. Explanation. After verb expressing demand, recommendation, or insistence, English subjunctive use the base of the verb. Next, nominalization. Error sentence. Morgan's decide to join the crew was a surprise to everyone. Error. The word decide is incorrect. Correction. Morgan's decision to join the crew was a surprise to everyone. Explanation. The verb decide changed into the noun decision because the sentence needs a noun after possessive Morgan's. That is my explanation about the 10 grammar error and their correction. By understanding arpeggio grammar, such as conditional, past modal, subjunctive, nominalization, and imperfect sentence, we can produce better and more accurate English sentence. That's just from me. Thank you very much and see you next video.